In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to play TSP with high ping. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. In this video, I'm gonna be talking about the experience of playing the strongest battlegrounds with high ping and some tips to help you lower your ping if it is way too high. So first, let's start with some quick tips. I recommend using the task manager for this. In here, one of the tabs is going to be network, and you can sort the applications or processes running on your computer by how much network they are using. If you notice that something here, one application or multiple, are taking up way too much of your network, you might want to consider ending their tasks. So let's say, for example, if Google Chrome was consuming too much of my network, I would go ahead and end the task. Even if Task Manager itself doesn't report something as taking a lot of your network, they can still use a lot of bandwidth on the background. So either way, I recommend just manually closing down any unused applications, especially web browsers. If you are trying to watch a stream on the side, a video on the side, they can impact your network if you don't have fast speeds. With this done, inside of Roblox, there isn't much that you can do. You can try changing servers constantly, but for the strongest battlegrounds, there doesn't seem to be an option to pick a specific server. So usually, it comes down to your actual network speeds, and the sad reality is that if it is slow, there isn't much that you can do. You can talk to your ISP, and if you notice that it is unusually slow, I recommend restarting your router and modem if you have one. So just restart your equipment, give it upwards of 5 minutes, but usually 10 seconds even should be enough, and then plug them back in. Afterwards, see if your network speeds improve. Make sure that nothing is being downloaded on the background, and when it comes to actually playing, like I said, there isn't much that you can do. You will just have to get used to the delay. So always try to move in advance, try to predict your opponents a little bit sooner, and try to use your abilities with the most accurate precision that you can. Because they might take a while to actually register, and because there might be a slight delay, you really gotta be sure that you want to send a specific ability once you want to get a hit into your opponents. With all of that said, at the end of the day, it is always going to come down to your ISP, so talk to them and see what can be done to improve your ping. Unless you use specific tools like exit lag, no ping, or even a VPN, there isn't going to be much that you can do inside of Roblox itself. With all of that said, if this video helped you, please consider subscribing. As you can see, 83% of the people watching our videos are not subscribed. If you subscribe, you can help us from the channel bring you the highest quality solutions to your problems, including videos about Roblox. So I highly count on your subscription. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.